So I don't know. You know, to say this math when they call coordinate geometry, they had a lot of students. So now I come to break everything down. The question then very simple. Say find the gradient of a line passing through the point. See the point P 1, 1. See the point Q 2, 5. I don't want to talk plenty story about this coordinate geometry. I want to go straight to solve the problem. The way we want to solve the problem, first thing we do now, bring out the point we don't give you. My right solution first. Watch you. If you know you never like this video, begin the like and if you never subscribe to my channel, begin to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to share this video. Very important. Bring out the first point. The first point we then get, where they give us at this one 1, 1. This other one, the coordinate we get, the second coordinate are 2 and 5. Now see what you go do, we will make things they very, very simple for you. First, this first one we see here, put them as your x1. This second one, make it be your y1. You see what I do? No do x1, x2. No be what I talk. Say the first one we get na x1. The second one we get na y1. What it say this one will be? Talk now. If you're na x1, y1, this one will be waiting. X2, I be, you sabi book, it is hot. So here will be x2. This one will be waiting. Y2. I don't know. If I go give you scholarship or the way they take do, I like the video first now. You don't like them. Thank you. Thank you too much. Subscribe. Don't forget to share too if maybe we don't get problem. So now fine. This make you find the gradient. Gradient now, the things sound very, very big. If like saying what you don't know, make you use another word for them. Slope. You don't have slope. Slope now. That one where they plot graph. You go see never do physics graph before. Where they say when they find slope. If you get this Cartesian coordinate like this, where they always get this one on your y-axis, your x-axis, maybe you can locate 2 points on this particular Cartesian plane, or make you put them simple. Say you want to take a straight line graph from the point of origin. You can't take straight line graph like this because you may find the gradient and be the slope. Because okay, maybe you take the maximum of y you get and then plug them here like this. You see, so you know, say here now the y2 also, here now y2, here now y1, this one now x1, this one now x2. So let me say this one now, here the difference now will be x2 minus x1. This one now, the difference, because here now the same thing with this one now, here will be y2 minus y1. Small, I don't even teach plenty, no. So that is to say, if you want to get slope now, slope, where you know, slope. Now make I tell you say another name now the gradient. So slope now will be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. You do this thing for physics, Abi. So now the gradient now. Another name if you call it a gradient. So if you use the symbol, the letter will carry represent an m. Say m equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Thank God. You don't know this thing what they see where the thing will be useful now. What will be your y2? Find here. Now 5, Abi. Y2 now 5. I'll say 5 minus. What will be your y1? You see? Y1. 1, Abi. 1 over. What will be your x2? 2, Abi. 2 minus. What will be your x1? 1. Good. So 5 minus 1, 4. 2 minus 1, 1. Therefore, m equal to, what will be 4 divided by 1? You see? 4, Abi? 4. That will be the answer. Find the gradient. That will be the gradient of a line passing through the points. This one and this one. The gradient are 4. It's simple, Abi. Make it not be like say, teacher teach you well. You understand. Teacher no give you classwork. Now, see your own. Find the gradient. I will change this P to A. I can't change this Q to B. I can't change this number to 5. I change this one to 12. I'll change this one to 3. I'll change this one to 5. This one, now be your classwork. Do and put that for comment section. We shall say solve. I want to see the step by step. no pass, no do shortcut. So when you finish, put them for comment section. Make sure say you like this video and share them. I would come do another one. You know, say this one not carry negative sign. When negative sign join am, how you want take do? Remember, say no be only grading they go ask you. They will find say make you locate the midpoint of the coordinate of midpoint, something like that. If you will still make you find the distance between all those things dey under this coordinate geometry. I will come dey release am small as dey hot. Make sure say you like this video. Encourage me so that I will fit do more for you. Peace and love.